to go. Come on, little car. Let's go.
Sister Kate here again. Accidents on highways. They cause huge backups. We've all been in that situation going the opposite direction where we've seen the 5 miles of traffic in the back. And having been on a volunteer fire department and called out to accident scenes, it's a whole process. First the call comes out, then if you're on a volunteer department, you have to go to your station and get a truck and then drive to wherever this accident is. If there's a lot of traffic, you're going to be going slower because you're going to have to go off on the shoulder to get to the actual scene. And then once you're there, you have to assess what's going on. Is anyone injured? Is there some sort of dangerous situation? Is there gasoline leaking, or the car positioned in such a way that it may roll over, or if you try to move it, it could fall on somebody or on you.
People, there's got to be an investigation.
If there's injured people, you have to call an ambulance. If there's dead people, you have to have an investigation. Any accident scene is going to have law enforcement on it and possibly call out a coroner, a tow truck. So any accident is going to take at least, what do you think, Pastor, 20, 30 minutes to clear?
That's a fast clear, yeah.
Right? Because sometimes the police who's supposed to show up is halfway across the county and has to drive to get to where the accident is. So one of the ways of dealing with that is to have a CB radio in your car, because truckers are constantly talking on those radios and giving driving conditions and where there are speed situations, where there are dangerous situations, if there's flooding, if someone's load falls, if there's something in the road like tires or a tree or something. They're constantly doing that, and when there's an accident, they have relevant information because they're usually on the highway and they're up high so they can see, and they'll say it's in the left lane, it's in the right lane, or the police are allowing people to come through the left lane because it is on the right lane, and that gives you relevant information about the accident. Modern GPSs now will also give you information, probably OnStar or something gets the 911 call and they put it out to the net, so your GPS will tell you, hey, there's an accident a mile up and you're on the fastest route to wherever you're going. Well, we're humans, okay? Machines give us this information, but we analyze it, and we can look on our map and see if there's an alternate road and can make the determination to exit off of the highway and go the alternate road to go around the accident. Often modern highways are running parallel to the old highway, which is off to one side or the other and is heading in the same direction. And then Pastor and I had an even more modern idea. If you had a pocket drone and you saw an accident scene, or you're now slowing down and stopping, you can set your pocket drone up and it can go up to the accident scene, scope it out for you, give you an idea of how long that accident might be going on, and if you can see the first responders showing up, is the tow truck there, is the ambulance there, is the police car there, and assess for yourself how long you think it's going to be before that accident clears, and also what's the traffic looking like? You know, is there a bunch of cars in front of you? Is there just a few cars in front of you? That sort of information. So all of that is one big package to think about when you are traveling on main roads. I hope that helps. Bless you. Shalom. Here we are outside of a major city in America at 11:30 on a Saturday, and it's pretty crowded traffic. This is just a normal day. Can you imagine if it was an emergency, if there was an accident or something? Can you actually see? What if there was a major storm coming? What would this be like? And how are you going to get out of it? You see that concrete wall? You're not getting your vehicle over that. You may climb off that yourself, but you're not going to get your vehicle over it. How would you get out of here? What did you say in the other video, Pastor?
Come out of her, my people.
Dude, do you really want to live in this?